Hello my friends, and welcome to my segment of Pouring from Coast to Coast. Taneva has issued a challenge to us this week, which is to use a dustpan in our pouring. So I've never done one before, so who knows what will happen here. Now I have looked around though, and I've seen that you can apply the dustpan pour to a wet or a dry background. I think there's probably advantages and disadvantages to both. I'm going to go with a dry background, and I'm going to quickly put that down. Well, it won't be quick, but I'm going to speed it up and write what I did. I'm going to be using Liquitex fluid paints straight from the bottle. So I'm not going to dilute them in any way with any pouring medium because I want it to dry quickly and be really vivid. So I'm going to be using Napthol Crimson, Payne's Gray, Raw Umber, and Cad Red Deep. So it's mainly going to be red, but we'll have some dark areas also. I'm using a canvas panel. Someone gave this to me. I don't know what that was, but so it's naturally, it's skinny. Now, normally you don't pour on this kind of thing, but because I'm doing the base coat dry, and only fluid part will be the dustpan, I think I'll be okay without warping. But it's just an experiment, my first time anyway, so doesn't really matter. I'll know better for next time. Now I went all over town looking for a small dustpan. I wanted just a narrow one, but I couldn't find one. I went to 8 stores. I ended up having to go to Michael's and getting this thing they sell, and that's what I'm going to be using. So let me get my base coat down. I think I like that. All right, my friends, it is the next day. This is thoroughly dry. It did warp ever so slightly, but I don't think it's enough to be a concern. I'm going for it. Now, I was looking at this thing, and it's not very big, and I am concerned that it won't hold enough paint for me to get all the way down here. And I turned the canvas the long way because this is the orientation, and I think it'll be easier to pour towards me instead of this, maybe. So, anyway, I do have this thing I bought. It's quite a bit wider. Really wish it had this depth for this width. But I think I'm going to go for this one because I just don't want to run out of paint right around here. So I'm going for this. I'm going to prop it up on this so the paint doesn't, oh wait. Yeah, there's a big, nice big dip thing here, but a bump rather, but I'll do that. And I'm going to be using Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints just to keep this real simple. Straight from the bottle, I'm just using black and gold. Now the black has a tendency to really swallow everything up, so I'm going to go heavy on the gold. But I'm going to start with black because whatever you put in first is going to end up on the outside of your, whatever you call these. And I think I do want black for a nice crisp edge, but we'll see. I don't know. So I will start with a good amount of black. And now lots of gold. A little black. This could be the last of the black. And we'll end with gold. All right, my friends, here we go. Wish me luck. I would like to do kind of a line. Oh, that's way too wide, and I have plenty of paint. Oh, well. I don't love it at all. I do not love it. In fact, I'm going to go hose it off. I'm going to quickly go hose it off and try it again. Maybe I'll use the white one so I know. Just try to prop this up so I don't waste all that paint. Oh, I don't have any more black. Ah. Okay, pausing. Be right back. All right, back for take two. I'm going to go with this one, and because I think I had too much paint in there, that other one, and I'm going to go pretty quick because I want to have just maybe skinny little pores on there so I can enjoy this pretty background. So that's the plan. Now I had to decide what colors to do since I ran out of black. I was thinking of using these bright colors, but I'm going to keep the whole thing in the warm tones, but I want something a little more elegant, so I decided to go with blues. I think it'll be fun because red and blue is hard for your eye to focus them side by side, so it really pops and kind of exciting. So I've got light blue, silver, and metallic cobalt. And I think I'll start with the metallic, and I have propped up my little tiny tray, and here we go again. Okay. I decided to add that, what is it? The dark phthalo blue, just to get a little more contrast. Here we go. Go fast, Chris. Go fast, fast, fast. Oh, I got some bare spots. I can come back in here probably, but I can't really fix that upper one. Let's see, I try to line it up where I was. That's not bad. Okay, I'll have to live with that. That's a problem. I wonder, I guess that wasn't, that thing is big enough for this guy's canvas. Should I tilt it slightly? Got some bubbles in there. Oh well, I'm not going to rinse it off, hose it off a second time. I think I'll live with this. It's interesting. Should I tilt that to, let's just see. Let's just see if it moves sufficiently to disguise that area. No, I'm not doing it. Gonna leave it alone. Okay. Well, Tanika, this was kind of fun, but kind of frustrating too. But as with anything, it takes practice. See that area right there? That's a problem. But it may kind of spread out a little bit and fix itself. We'll see. And down here where I tried to make a repair, not too bad. Okay, my friends, that's my segment in today's collaboration. Thanks for watching. Let's head up the coast to visit Meta in Petaluma.